Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a professional email template in MailChimp. Even if you are a complete beginner, let's get started. First of all, login and dashboard overview. First of all, log into your MailChimp account. So search for MailChimp, click on the first link. Now, if you are a new, just click sign up and follow the sign up process. Or you have if you already had ac if you have already an account, just uh, log into your account with your credentials, then click login. From the dashboard, click on campaigns and then click email templates. Campaigns, then click email templates from here. Now creating a new template. Click create template and choose a layout for beginners. The basic layout is a great place to start. Click basic layout and choose one from here like this. Now customize the sections, edit the header, drag and drop the text, blocks, images, buttons, and drivers. You can click each block to change text, upload a logo, or add links. Want to make it personal? Use merge tags like fname to add the subscriber's first name automatically. So click on header. You can add a link from here. Select web, email, or phone and enter URL here. Then click save. That's it. You can set a logo. Just click set logo from the left sidebar. Then click upload or browse image from your dashboard and drag and drop it here. Go to fill section for size. You can add text like your website. Then click preview and here it is. So now go to styles tab. Now click background color and choose a color from here like yellow or green. Then click done. Scroll down and select rounded corners. Apply it. Click the arrow icon. Now scroll down and select border. Then select a border style from here. It's look like that. Now click visibility. Then upgrade your plan from here and you will see your next step. Styling and branding. Match your brand by changing fonts, colors, and background. Use and use your brand hex codes for consistency. Once you are happy with it, hit save and exit and select who are you Sending this email to, choose an audience, then click save and follow the process. Then click send as send a test email from here. You can create an A and B test from here. Now, let's talk about why MailChimp. MailChimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms, especially for beginners and small businesses. It offers an all in one solution for email campaigns, automation, analytics, and more. Pros: beginner friendly interface, clean design, easy drag and drop email builder, generous free plan, great for startups, includes basic features and up to 500 contacts, all in one marketing tools, email automation, landing pages, social posts, CRM, and more, templates and design tools, dozens of responsive pre-built templates, analytics and A/B testing. See open rates, click rates, and test what works. Click on create an A/B test, then follow the process. Finally, integrations. Works with Shopify, WordPress, Stripe, and hundreds more. Now, cons. Expensive as you scale, pricing increases quickly with more contacts and advanced features. Limited automation in free plan. A more powerful automation requires paid tiers. Complex for advanced needs, customization and segmentation may feel limited for pro marketers. Support limitations. Email and chat support not available to free users. Now, key features. Email builder with templates, marketing automation, audience segmentation, reporting, and analytics. Landing page builder, social media scheduling, A/B testing, integration with 300 plus apps. For integration, go to your dashboard, click the integration tab, and search for your integration name like Shopify. Then click on it, then click connect or get started. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.